With just 1 glass a day on an empty stomach, you will lose weight in 5 days. The tummy is the headache of hundreds of people around the world, who are looking for different alternatives to reduce it and support the process of fat removal that usually accumulate there. In this part of the body is where it becomes more evident the excessive kilos, the retention of liquids, food intolerances, and many other problems that affect us in terms of aesthetics by preventing the shape of the figure. To address this problem and reduce it effectively, it is important to adopt a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced eating plan and exercises. But in addition to that, there are some additional aids that can support the body to effectively deflate the abdomen and eliminate those wastes that cause that annoying belly. Among the remedies to support weight reduction in this part of the body, we have found a special juice that, because of its high concentration of nutrients, acts as a good support for the diet. Would you like to meet him? Pineapple juice, cucumber, celery, ginger and lemon. Ingredients like pineapple, cucumber and celery are famous for having a diuretic action that facilitates the removal of liquids that accumulate in the body and which usually influence weight gain. Ginger and lemon have anti-inflammatory properties that decrease inflammation throughout the digestive system, while fighting the most common problems such as intestinal gas and bloating. Joining all these foods in a single drink becomes a natural remedy to cleanse the body, lose weight and, by the way, improve health. How to prepare this juice? The ingredients used in this juice are very easy to acquire and their prices are usually very economical, depending on the season. Ingredients: half cucumber, medium celery, 1 glass of water, 200 milliliters, 1 lemon, half a teaspoon ginger, 5 grams, half a cup of chopped pineapple, 100 grams, quarter green apple. Preparation: 1. Peel the cucumber and cut into several pieces. Wash the celery and other ingredients very well and put them in the blender, except for the lemon. Process all the ingredients until you get a homogeneous drink and then add the juice of a lemon. 2. It is advised to take this juice fasting because at this time they take better advantage of all its properties to lose weight and provide energy to